Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the Quora account of yours. So for that, first of all, open the Quora application. Once you open the Quora app, you will be directed to the home page of Quora. Here on the home page, you have the option to continue with Google, Facebook as well, or you can log in with email address. If you have linked your Facebook, Google with the Quora account, you can tap on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and you will be easily logged in with just one tap. But here we're going to go through the email process, so tap on login. Now type in the email address and the password to get logged in. Type in the email address on the text box first, then below type in the password, then tap on login on top right. That will get you logged in into the Quora account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.